Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you have seen over here, we have done this modeling over here. So let's continue with the leg part over here. So we are just going to continue with the leg over here. So just select this polygons over here. Just select this polygons, editable mesh, extrude it. So before we extrude it, just scale a bit and press G, repeat. So I don't need this side for now. So just select the faces over here for now. So if you see this, we are just modeling it. So it's like I'm just directly continuing this. If you want, you can just make a different shoe and you can just place it. So if you want to go with that way, you can go in that way also over here. So let's place this things in the right manner. So again select the faces and just go on extruding it, R and scale it. So you can just scale it from this axis over here. So let's go into this vertices over here, and you can just adjust this vertices. Again extrude it, R and just scale it over here and adjust this on this. So make sure you're not scaling too much, but you're scaling a bit. So if you want to make the shoe as a different part of it, you can go for that, not a problem. So we can just adjust its vertices over here. Insert edge loop over here. Alright, so you can just go into this vertices, just select this and you can just scale this and just select this vertices and you can just push that out. So you can again go into the front view and you can just check out the things whether it is in straight line or not. So let's adjust the vertices now in the right manner. So we need to make sure we adjust it perfectly. So just go up, push this. Just push it inside. Push it out. Just select this, push that out. Okay, so once you're done with this, if you want to place some loops over here, you can definitely place some loops over here. So again you can take this and just push that out. So just adjust that in the right manner. So mesh tools, insert edge loop. You can just add one more edge loop over here for this. Alright. So for the hand, what we can do is, before we go over here, let's select this mesh tools, insert edge loop. So add one edge loop over here, and for the hand part, you can just extrude it. You need a top view for the hand. If you have a top view, that would be much easier for you to go with that. So I'll just extrude that. So if you want to extrude it from this only, you can go with it. So you can just scale this for this, and you can just go on again extruding it down in this way. So this part, so here for the thumb part, so you can make a hand from a different reference also, then you can just join it. If you want, you can go with that also. So I can just extrude that a bit over here. So let's select the vertices, just push that up. Alright, so just select it, scale it, and rotate a bit, and just extrude that. So we can just adjust it. We need to go with the adjustment of this vertices properly. So for this, let's go into this, and let's go into this editable mesh and delete edge vertex. I'll just delete this. So we need to push it a bit inside over here. So make sure you are just adjusting the things. Again, go into the mesh tool, multi-cut. Just press enter. So let's go on adding the cuts over here. So for that, first what we'll be doing is we'll add one loop over here. So we are making a cartoon hand, you can say not a realistic hand. So we need to make it in that proper way. So again, go into this, take a multi-cut. I'll just take a multi-cut over here, and I end this. So we need one more over here. let's add it. And last not the least, so one more cut for that, and let's end that. So definitely now let's go into this mesh tool and use a multi-cut over here. Just adjust this segments in this way. So now what I can do over here is like, let's save the file. Let's save the file over here. Let's again go into this editable mesh, extrude it, and just scale a bit out over here. Again extrude it, push it a bit, push it out. So we need to adjust this finger in this way. Let's adjust it accordingly. So just push it a bit over here, push that out. So again select this same, extrude it, scale a bit, and push that a bit out, and again extrude that stuff, push that down. So we are working with the hand over here, that's your palm, not detailing that much right now. So again extrude it, scale that. So if you want, you can make the palm individually, then you can just attach it with that. It's all your choice. So if you want to go in that way, you can go in that way also. So let's just push it a bit inside. Oops, I made a mistake over here, not a problem. So we'll just select this and delete edge vertex, and let's push this a bit inside. Also, we can just push this stuff. So we can just push this stuff. Alright. So just select that. Again press, save that file, editable mesh, extrude it, R, and just scale it, push it a bit out, and again scale it out. That's it. So you can just scale that, you can keep it as small, not a problem. So we have extruded this hand from this part. Okay. Let's adjust it. In the right manner. Alright. So let's select this mesh smooth proxy, subdiv proxy. You can see the difference. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.